Food habits. Hi guys, welcome to another session with me. Today I'm going to be talking to you all about eating food. And right now you are inside of my fridge. You get to see what does my fridge look like. Word of warning, it is a mess. I tried to keep it beautiful, but no. Up here, you've got some of our favorite drinks, and we are a tropical family. You're gonna find some things from all over the world. We've got some Japanese drinks. Japanese orange Fanta reminds me of the UK Fanta, which is yellow and not bright orange, and I love it. I miss it so much, so that's here. Japanese purple Fanta, if you know, you know. This stuff slaps, man. I love this stuff so much. You're gonna find sauces. Right now I'm trying out the yuzu dressing. Yuzu dressing. I think that's what it is. Yuzu or yuja? Anyways, one of these dressings, yellow. Sorry, I got close my doors. But right now, that's what I really enjoy. That's what I really like. More sauce. Coconut milk. This is great for sauces and rice. Nando's. If you're from England, if you know, you know. I got a bunch of that the last time I went to Malaysia, actually.
Finding it hard to understand everything? Don't worry. Just focus on words that carry meaning. Nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. All the best.
So I'll tell you a little bit about myself. Inside of my fridge, you're going to find a few things. You're definitely going to find drinks because I don't like water that much. And so I love my juicy juices. I don't drink alcohol, but soft drinks are my weakness. Fizzy drinks are my weakness. This, if you grew up in an African home, you will recognize this. I had to get this from London. My dad sent it to me. Like, yes. It's basically like Knorr. It's a seasoning cube. It's salty, but it's used for everything. I think I've used it on fish, chicken, soup, whatever. If there is something that needs that seasoning, I'm gonna use it. In Korea, there is something similar. It's like, I can't remember what the name of it. But anyways, it's got beef picture on it. I've been told that that is the most, I guess, similar replacement of it. If you're from England, you need this. Gravy. Now this is just no brand gravy. The brand that's well known is Bisto, but this is just gravy granules. I don't make my gravy from scratch because it's work and I got a kid and I gotta do things fast. So I really like that to thicken sauces or just on its own on top of roasted potatoes. So
Practice
good.
time. Summarize what you've heard. Try to make 2 sentences.
What else do I like? Ooh, I like to buy stuff that can't necessarily get. So I found this in Malaysia. This is coriander paste. I love going to Malaysia because they just have so many little good things. Coriander paste, because I like, some people call it coriander, some people call it cilantro, but I like that. I also found basil paste. It all looks the same, but the flavors are going to be really different. And, or basil. If you're in America, you can say basil. And then crush galangal, right? I have yet to use it, but it's kind of like very similar, or it looks very similar to ginger as well. Curry powder. I've got all these different powders. Curry powder, all-purpose seasoning. Yes. Jerk seasoning as well. And my parents sent me the liquid one, like the seasoning that you can put in the glass jar that you can put all over your chicken. So good, so good. I wish I had a barbecue so I could barbecue jerk chicken. Oh. What you will struggle to find in my fridge is, I have vegetables, but you're not gonna find as many vegetables. But now that I have a kid, maybe it will change. It has to change because my kid eats, you know, has to eat healthily stuff. So I do feed my child very well. Some eating habits that we have as a family. We love our bread. My bread basket is currently pretty empty, but usually we have different sorts of bread. So I love a baguette in the morning. During midday, I love a bun. I love a bagel from time to time. I also love pancakes, and this is like cheating mix, but Bisquick, I agree, I fully agree, it makes really, really nice pancakes. Bisquick is really, really good with some Costco maple syrup, some whipped cream, and some salted bacon. Woo! Yes. Something else that you'll find in my house that drives me crazy, this is thanks to my husband, is noodles. This is my contribution. But I think this was the last time this is from Japan. I don't think I got it from Japan, but it's supposed to be like Japanese style ramen. But you're going to find a whole heap of ramyun in our house because it's usually supposed to be like the quick food that you have, you know, no time, can't cook. Ramyun is the place to go, but we don't eat it all the time, so it just ends up stacking up. And also my husband likes to try new flavors, but he doesn't eat the new flavor. It just stacks. Something funny about my house is that I've been known to give expired food. Not cook expired food, don't come for me. I just give expired snacks because you know what? It happens. So if I ever give you some crisp or some biscuits, check the date because I've been known to, you know, do that. But other than that, I'm pretty good. The type of food that I like to cook, it's just whatever I know, whatever I feel like cooking. My husband likes really soupy, saucy, tomatoey stuff. I don't like that. I'm more on the crispy, dry side. So if I do cook, sometimes I do make two versions. I make a version that's more suitable for him or me, or I maybe cook something that he might like first, and then, you know, midweek, I might do something that I like more, or if anything, I'll just make fries because let me tell you something. I've had fries all my life. If everything goes wrong, I just have fries. Come on, it's easy. It's easy peasy food. So that is my food culture. I wish you could tell me your food culture and what your fridge looks like.
Now I'm going to show you some extract from a conversation I had with my theatre group members. It's really authentic, unedited, raw conversation about food. Enjoy.
What feeling?
I'm done.
Very good. Summer is doing sound and light and costume and stickers and so many things.
Art, visual
director.
makeup. She's an art director.
And Wonder is like, I'm not waiting for anybody. Wonder, how's your fries? He's still in character. The mic is not charged.
Don't touch my onion ring.
Onion Lee, where are you?
Hi guys, I am here with Sarah. Is it Sarah or Sarah? How do you pronounce that?
I don't know.
Oh, what name do you go by? Sarah or Sarah?
You
You can call me?
or you can call me Sarah or Sarah or a little girl or beautiful girl. It's okay.
It's okay. And today, what are you having for lunch? What did you order?
I order a Burger King waffle, cheese waffle,
Oh, cheese waffle.
and zero Coke.
Okay, no fries?
Non-fry, but onion ring.
Onion rings.
No.
Okay. So we're gonna eat our lunch and then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna say whether we liked it or we didn't like it.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you. Bye. How was your lunch?
I ate onion ring
Onion ring.
on Burger King.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody recognized 추천? What is
Like
추천?
recommended?
Recommended?
Yeah.
Somebody recommended to me,
Yeah.
but not that good.
Not that good.
No 바삭, no fries.
No fries? Like crispy?
Yeah.
Me
no
too.
crispy.
It was like like not
Yeah.
바삭한 거 싫어?
yeah.
아니,
No, we
바삭하지
want the
않았어요.
pasak.
아,
But
연해?
pasak 없어.
아,
Yeah.
바삭, like 바삭?
Yeah. Do you?
No.
Really? Why?
나 축축.
Oh, really soft.
Yes.
Oh, I hate soft. I really
soft.
hate soft.
Price in more.
Yes.
Do you have like a padding over there? Your padding?
No, I don't have a jacket
Oh,
today.
나 패딩.
I'm wearing hoodie.
He's really cold.
Okay.
I have a hoodie. You can put it over you. Maybe you can put it.
She
He's
wear
cold.
like padding.
Maybe just like cover your feet or something. He's super cold today. Okay, so we unanimously decided we did not have the best lunch,
Yeah.
but it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ooh, so we're about ready. In 4 minutes, we gotta go. 4 minutes, our rabbit is ready. Our Alice is ready. How do
I'm
you
not
feel
ready.
today? How do you feel today?
I have to be good
Yeah, we have to be good,
because
but
we have to performance.
and people have paid to come and see. But we are tired. Everybody's like,
Yeah.
And Sarah has a bunch of bruises, but we can do it.
Yeah,
Fighting.
we can do it.
Yeah. Come on, break a
Because
leg.
we are actors.
Of course.
Yeah.
We are actors. Bye.
Bye.
Now I'd like to show you some clips of a special event at my church. On this day, everyone cooked food from their countries. As we are a multicultural church, one of the favorite things that we like to do is share our country's food, which is a very rare thing to taste in our small city of Chuncheon. But on this very day, we were blessed with lots of Korean food, food from the Philippines, and so many more countries.
Beza, what food did you cook?
I made our
What is awara?
it's fried tofu
Fried tofu.
with some stew seasoning on top.
Oh, okay. Let's see if I can find the. This is Korean, definitely. Oh, this is like a spaghetti.
Different
Is-
way of spaghetti.
Is this it?
This is tofu.
Oh,
tofu.
tofu. Tofu. We got japchae. We got spaghetti.
This is the
Ooh.
lumpia. This is
Lumpia. Is this Filipino?
Filipino. Yeah. No, Filipino, right? Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Filipino. Oh, nice. No, but it's good.
The last time it's all gone.
Oh, really? And then we've got fruits. Oh, we got some coleslaw as well.
Yeah, you know what? You have to have this one today.
Yeah. Oh, Priscilla. Wow, look at that Bezalel's plate. Wow, look at that. And that's it. When talking about food, really it's just about talking about what your daily habits are, what some of your favorite things are, and then always asking your partner, the other person that you're speaking to, what about you? And it opens you up to having conversations, to sharing. You might find that you have the same eating habits or you have totally different eating habits. Have fun talking about food. See ya.